The icons on the bottom of the screen are quick links to access home, food diary, exercise diary, a plus sign to add food and exercise, progress, and nutrition. I will click on home in the bottom left corner. Here you will see calorie goal and calories remaining in the upper left corner, and a breakdown of your macronutrients, carbs, fats, and proteins in the upper right corner. You can also scroll down to view news and information from MyFitnessPal. I will click on Food Diary. Here you will see a breakdown of your calories and macronutrients by breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and water. I will click on Exercise Diary. Here you can log your cardio and strength exercises for the day. I will click on the plus sign in the bottom middle. Here you can quickly add status, water, food, exercise, or weight. I will click on Progress. Here you can track your progress of weight loss. You can also track your progress of steps, neck, waist, and hip measurements. You can change the date range from 1 week up to 1 year. I will click on Nutrition. Here you can view your calories, nutrients, and macros by day or week. You can also view your nutrition and macros. I will now add food using the plus sign in the bottom middle. I will select food. I can now see recent food that has been logged. I can also see frequent food that has been logged. Let's say I had a Gatorade Whey protein bar for breakfast. I have logged the protein bar before and commonly have a protein bar for breakfast, so it will be in my frequent foods. I will scroll down and add a chocolate caramel whey protein bar for breakfast. I will click the check mark in the upper right corner to log the food. The protein bar has now been added to my breakfast. Let's say that I also had a Ningxia red drink packet for breakfast. I will select Add Food under Breakfast. Because I have recently had this drink packet, it is in my recent list. I will select Ningxia Red. I will click the check mark in the upper right corner to log the food. At break, I got hungry and had some Casey's Bacon Breakfast Pizza. I will scroll down to Snacks and click Add Food. I have recently had Casey's Breakfast Pizza, so it is in my recent list. I will select Bacon Breakfast Pizza. On the right side, I can see that the serving size is 1 slice. I was really hungry and had 2 slices. I will click on Number of Servings and change it to 2. I will click on the check mark in the upper right corner to log the food. At the top, I can see that my goal is to stay below 2,410 calories. The 2 slices of Casey's Breakfast Pizza that I ate contained 1,098 calories. In the upper right corner, I can see that I have 947 calories remaining for the day. At break, I was feeling sluggish, so I also decided to have a Monster Energy drink. I will click Add Food under Snacks. I haven't logged the Monster Energy drink before, but I can scan the barcode on the can to add it. I will click on the barcode in the upper right corner. I will scan the barcode on the energy drink. I will click on the check mark in the upper right corner to log the energy drink. I can see that the energy drink contained 0 calories, so I still have 947 calories remaining for the day. It is now lunchtime and I forgot to bring a lunch. I'm going to head to Arby's for lunch. I will click the plus sign in the bottom middle, select food, and select lunch. I will click on Search for a food at the top, type Arby's, and click Search. Everything with a green check mark next to it is Arby's food that has been verified accurate by Arby's. I will select Arby's menu. I will scroll down and select Brewed Iced Tea Large. I will click on the check mark in the upper right corner to log the iced tea. I will continue to scroll down and select Curly Fries. I will select Large Curly Fries because Arby's curly fries are delicious. I will click on the check mark to log the fries. I will continue to scroll down and add a Junior Roast Beef Sandwich. I will click on the check mark to log the sandwich. I always get Arby's sauce, so I need to continue scrolling down to add some Arby's sauce. I only add 1 packet of sauce to my sandwich. I will click on the check mark to log the sauce. Click back again.